Rena barely has any shoes and also she barely has any pants. ズボンに穴開いてます。We have to go shopping.
ガム食べたい。
買い物しに行かないと。店内はこんな感じです。今オールドネイビーで買い物をしてます。実はリナ試着室に入るのは初めてです。英語で試着室は fitting room. It's her first time going into a fitting room. So Rena barely has any shoes, socks, and pants that she can wear because she's outgrown them or they have holes in them. So she's in desperate need of clothes. Desperate っていうのは必死っていう訳になるんですけど、she's in desperate need of new shoes, socks, and pants. So that is why we're here at Old Navy right now. なので今オールドネイビーに来てます。So the inside of the store looks like this. I wonder if she's done. 終わったかな？ Rena, are you done? できた。That's fine. So what size are those? I think it says 7 though. Right? It's 7, size 7. Are they a good fit?
Yes.
Yes? Did you try the 8?
Yeah.
How was it?
Good.
So is 8 better?
Yeah.
こっちの方がいい。ちょっとなんかきつい感じ It looks a little tight. きつい The waist is okay, but then just the overall fit is sort of a little tight. Okay, so I think we're gonna go with 8.
Okay.
Okay, or is that okay?
Yeah.
8? Okay, じゃあ8サイズ8で決まりです。We're gonna get size 8. あれ？ケント登場。そう、いくらですかは How much is it? Okay. Oh, $18. And how about the pants? The pants are
20. 30.
$30? Meet it. Look at this. 今日履いてる。ちょっと見せてよ。Look at this. 今日履いてるズボン。ちょっと恥ずかしいよ。これで学校行っちゃったんだもんね。Just we're gonna pay for it.
And do you have a phone number with us? It's going to be 3508. Yes. That's for you.
Thank you.
Right there.
Thank you. 開け英語は Open Sesame。よく書いてよかったね。We're done shopping.
This is my new outfit.
What did you get at Old Navy?
A pineapple.
Is that a pineapple? It's a pineapple t-shirt
Yeah.
with sequins.
Wow.
You also got a new pair of jeans. So you have a new outfit.
今回のキーワードは outfit.
Outfit っていうのは What's the meaning?
着てるもの。
そう、着てるもの、コーディネート。
Coordinate.
英語ではコーディネートって言いません。トータルのコーディネートのことです。そして2つ目のキーワードは barely.
Barely.
Barely ってどういう意味？ What does it mean? Barely ギリギリ Just enough ギリギリセーフそんな感じだね。So you barely had any pants and also t-shirt. So we got a new outfit.
ギリギリセーフ。
ギリギリセーフそんな感じで barely. Okay, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Hey.